So I'm here today at MPTC to do a masterclass in front of the students, but also to give 3 golden scissors to 3 college trainers here at the college. And the golden scissors are given only when they can replicate them recipes as good as what I'm doing them in the video, and that is no easy task. It takes normally 2 years. They have to video themselves doing every single recipe, then send it into my team, and then we assess it against the Lee Stafford education video. Did they follow the steps that I did, and did they get the same result? And when they can do that, they do it as good as me, and when they can do every recipe to a Big 10 standard, that's our Michelin star equivalent, they get the gold scissors, which means it's like having me in here in the college teaching the students.
We'd just like to say that we're thrilled to have received this reward. It's a Joel scissors, a hairdressing scissors. The reason we've had it is because we've completed 22 of Lee Stafford's Michelin star recipes, and we've now become Master trainers!
Master trainers!
Thank you, Lee!
Thanks, Lee!